What is your name?
Sir, my name is Vijay Kashyap.
What is this problem?
Sir, my problem and otherwise the farmer problem. So is the near about palaces to the Samsan Ghat district MJN. So Gausala Nadi Road. Gausala Nadi Road is to the cross the road to the very higher farmers and otherwise to the laborers person. So is the crossings the road between the cross the road and otherwise to the market. Fal and fruits to is the for cauliflower and otherwise radish is the district. So is the give me the marketing. So now me you go is the very higher problem, and so is the Black River is the very higher polluted, and is the otherwise to is the drains garbage and otherwise the raw material and is the factories, otherwise the very higher chemical. So is the very higher danger disease to the all families member of the farmers. So is the cancer and otherwise disease. So is the died to the hunger and the farmers. So me the problems and otherwise to the Rajya Mantri Kapil Dev Agarwal give me the all documents submit and otherwise to the all problems. But not be problem is not be accept. Now me you go is the is believe that is now me you go. So is the DM and ADM, SDM and otherwise to is the government department to is the officers give me the all documents submit. But
That
is
will be your problem solved.
but no, not be problem is not be solved. So is the now me you go otherwise is walking is a here and there and is the many. So meet me to the anyway farmers laborers and otherwise the person meet me to the DDM office and otherwise the ADM new ADM Sanjay Verma and otherwise to is the all functions of the farmer day anyway solve the problem day Kisan day farmer day. Otherwise day is not be righted but is the not be present not be create the problem.
Your next step.
Next step is the step two is the all persons is collected to is the DM office and otherwise the go to is the capital of the UP or UP is the Lucknow and otherwise not be is the cross the road and otherwise two is the very higher populated is the farmers and otherwise the coal farmers and otherwise the otherwise so is the not be complete is the problem. So now we use the dharna pradarsan and cross the road.
देखिए, ये थे हमारे साथ विजय कश्यप जी, जो जनपद मुजफ्फरनगर के। इनका साफ तौर से कहना है कि गौशाला नदी रोड पर जो है गंदे पानी से होकर जो छोटे किसान हैं, जो सब्जी उगाने वाले, सब्जी फल वाले बेचने वाले जो किसान हैं, वो नदी से होकर के जाते हैं और गंदे पानी से जैसे वो निकलते हैं तो उनको गंभीर बीमारी की चपेट में उनको आने का खतरा जो है बढ़ जाता है। इनकी साफ तौर से मांग है कि उस नदी पर पुल बनना चाहिए और गाली नदी का जो पुल निर्माण होने के बाद उसका जो पानी है वो साफ सुथरा होना चाहिए। इस संबंध में इन्होंने राज्य मंत्री कपिल देव अग्रवाल हो या फिर डीएम साहब हो, तमाम अधिकारियों को ये लिखित में शिकायत दे चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी तक इनकी कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो पाई है। साफ तौर से इन लोगों का कहना है कि यदि हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती तो हम लोग जो है रोड जाम करेंगे, लखनऊ तक जाएंगे और धरना प्रदर्शन करने के लिए बाध्य होंगे। मेरे सहयोगी मोहित के साथ जनमत न्यूज़ मुजफ्फरनगर।